Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust background music volume in WiseCut so your music sounds perfect without overpowering your voice. First, open the WiseCut application within your desktop and also make sure that you are logged in with an account. If not, you can just log in through the sign in page. When you are on the main home page, you will get upload video option. You can just upload via link or by your computer folders. But for me, I will choose the prior projects, which is located at the recent project section. Within the recent project section, you can see the list of your prior projects. You can choose any based on your preference. Once selected, it will redirect you to the clips page. Here, for all clips, it gives two options. Scissor is to open the editor page. Tap on it. Within the ViceCut editor, you will see the friend icon option at your right corner. But before adjusting the volume, ensure that the background music is already added. Click on the background music icon. Within it, confirm that the background music toggle is on and a music track is selected. After confirming, you can just tap on the settings icon just below it. Inside the project settings panel, you will find the music volume slider with different options. You can choose any to adjust the volume. Please set the volume lower so your voice remains clear. And just below music volume, you will see media volume. This controls your main video or voice audio. You can just adjust if your voice sounds too loud or too soft. Now within the project settings, you will also get enhancer and make sure to toggle auto deck turn on. If it is not, this automatically lowers background music when you speak and raises it during the silent moments. After all the adjustment and editing, you can just play the video to preview your voice changes, and if you are not satisfied with the adjustment, you can just fine-tune the music volume until it sounds balanced. And that's it. This is how you can adjust background music in ViceCut. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more ViceCut guides.